In this video, let me show you a simple trick that you can use to find hot e-commerce products that you can sell. These products are already tested, so you know that they are selling before you start buying them. So if you've been looking for a way to find hot e-commerce products that you can start selling in Nigeria, this video is going to help you. My name is Goodnoel, and if this is your first time of seeing me, I make videos like this. And if this sounds like something you like, then subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so that when I drop another video, you'll be the very first person to know this. Now, what I want to show you is a very simple trick that you can use to find already in-demand products that people are interested in and that you can start selling almost immediately. This is important because if you want to do e-commerce, you need to sell what people want to buy. You need to sell what people want to buy. There are no two ways about this. If you go and sell what you like, you end up buying them. And of course, you don't have money to buy all what you sell. So you have to go back to what the people want. It's important. Always focus on what the people want because that's what they will be spending their money on. So for us to do this, we want to use a Nigerian website called Nairaland. If you are a Nigerian, you probably know about Nairaland. This is because Nairaland is the most popular website, this type of website in Nigeria and possibly Africa. So Nairaland has an incredible collection of very filtered data, indigenous data that we can use to start making money by selling physical products that these people want to buy. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I come to this website that is going to help us filter, give us statistics about Nairaland, you understand the size, the magnitude of what I'm talking about. So I come to this site and then I type Nairaland. So we want to pluck some data using this website about Nairaland, and then I'll go and show you how we can use this data to find products that we can start selling immediately. Again, the essence of this video is to find hot products, hot things, hot problems people have, and then find a product around it that you can start selling immediately. So if you come here, you see that it gives us a date of when Nairaland was founded, which is 2005. And right here we have an estimated annual revenue of Nairaland. This can be through ad spend and ad revenue and a whole lot of things. Is between $2 million to $5 million. This is only yearly. So if you come here, you see the industry where Nairaland is known. It has to do with computer electronics and technology, stuff like that. So if you come here, you see that the global rank for Nairaland is 1,527, and this is incredible if you consider the number of websites we have around the world. This is a very good rating in my opinion. So in Nigeria, it's currently ranked number 11, and this is a forum. This is a forum, and I will be telling you the importance of a forum shortly. So the two top categories, or the category rank here, is number 2 in computer electronics, technology and search engines in Nigeria. So if you come here, you see that the total visit for Nairaland in August, I'm making this video in September, is 35.7 million, and there is a 9 minute 48 second average duration. This means the average visit to Nairaland is almost 10 minutes, which is great. So if you come down again, you want to see the engagement. These are the figures from the past 3 months. In June, they had 35.2 million. In July, they had 35.3 million. In August, they had 35.7 million. And if you come down right here, you see a core of where this traffic comes from. And this is 67% is from Nigeria. This is a heavily Nigerian dominated platform. Alright, we equally have 12.95 percent from the United States, and then United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and a whole lot of countries. So this is a very powerful website. Now let me show you another incredible thing right here. If you come down right here, you will notice that 69.32% of this traffic that comes to Nairaland, they all come through direct. This means that this is a really popular website. People just go and type Nairaland into their browser without having to search for it because they know it. All right. So you now have seen that this is a very powerful website. Now let me show you how you can use this website to find hot products. So I come to the website, and this is the website Nairaland. So you can register if you want to engage, or if you want to engage on the platform, you can register. But if you are just here to find a product, you can do this without being registered. So if you come here, you see that these are the categories. But before we talk about the categories, see right here that it has 2.9, is that billion or million? 2.9 million members and over 7 point something million topics. So if you come here, you see the different categories that we have on Nairaland. So if you have a product to sell, it can be even a digital product, a digital service, whatever. You see that you have a community of people who would be interested in what you are trying to sell. This is how powerful this website is, and a lot of persons are not even paying attention to this website or how to use this website to actually make money. All right, so you can come to any of the categories right here and then pick the one that is going to fit into what you want to sell. So for instance, let's use the health niche for this trick or this video that I want to show you. So I come to the health niche, and then I open the health categories. These are topics that are related to categories about health or things about health. So you can see information or posts about health related issues and solutions. Now let me tell you about the importance of a forum. A forum is simply a website where people come and they have problems, they talk about their problems, and other persons help them with these problems. So Nairaland is very useful because people come to talk about their problems and other persons solve these problems. People equally come to find solutions to their problems. So most of the topics you are going to be seeing here has to do with people's experiences, and from here you are going to find the hot product. So this is what we need to do. You come like this. This is the health niche. So you go through these topics. All these things are topics, but as you go, I need you to pay attention to something. So if you come here, you see views. These views right here, it means the number of persons who have seen this topic or this thread. We call this thread. You see this one too. This is 27,140 something views. So you can come right here at the top, and you want to sort the topics here by the number of views that it has gathered. So if you click views, it's going to show you topics based on the highest level of views, and then you can sort it down. This might just be the best way for you to do this. So you see that this has gathered a lot of views, even though this is an old thread. You can see that as at September 7th, people are still commenting on this thread. So threads like this don't die, because this is a recurring issue for people, for women who want to give birth. This is a recurring issue, which means the problem is always there and it's going to need a solution. Now, see this very funny one. How do I calculate my safe period? Now, this topic has just six pages, but look at the number of views. Imagine that you can have a device that can help ladies calculate their safe period. That means periods when women cannot get pregnant even if they have sexual intercourse. So you see the number of views, and you see that people are really interested in this. A lot of them may not be commenting, but they are interested. So if they are interested, you know that it's because they have the problem. They have the problem. Now, see this one says, how can I get rid of black spots on my face? Again, look at the number of views. Look at the number of views. This one is saying post not 2. Okay, let's not talk about that. So you just scroll, and you find what people are searching for, and then you simply find a product that can help them provide a solution. I'm going to practically help you find a solution, find a product using this method. Now, see this one, it says 5 ways to prevent pregnancy without using condom. Okay, see? Now let me go back to showing you how to find hot products. So let's just use the new tab and see new topics that people have created. So I'm just going to look for one that I'm going to use to find a product that we want to sell. So let me just keep scrolling and see if I'm going to find something. So this one says, if you are doing this, you are damaging your kidney. This is a recent post. It was made yesterday. It has 117 views for free, and this is the 28 days. This is actually a product this person is trying to sell. Now this one says how to increase your chances of giving birth to twins. People might actually be interested in that. Turmeric and lemon, blah blah blah. How to stop smoking, and a whole lot of that. So let me just scroll down and see if I can find something that I will use to find the product. Alright, so let's use this very topic and see if you can find a product that people are going to buy as regards this one that says, how do I calculate my safe period? So you do like an entrepreneur and you think of a solution to this. So should you give people a product or a device that is going to help them calculate their safe period? So we are going to go to Google and check if we can see safe period calculator. Let's see if we can find this as a product. Or let's go to this website, AliExpress, and use AliExpress to see if we can find any device that actually does this. I'm very confident there has to be a device that does this, because this is genuinely a very big problem, especially in the world today. So AliExpress is an e-commerce website that you can use to source for products, and then I'm just going to come here and we are going to see if we can find something like that. Let me close all these adverts, and safe period calculator is what we are looking for. Okay, so we have something right here called safe period calculator. So now these are some of these products. How are these safe period calculators? I've got no idea. So let's scroll through and see if we can find something that tallies with what we are looking for. So you scroll right. So let me search for safe period calculator for women. Sadly, we do not have any device like that. Let's go and look for something else. So you say, how can I get rid of black spots on my face? So if you just come here, you just write black spot removal for face. So we should easily find a product that will do this. So you have a lot of them. So this one is the secret to a beautiful skin, and you have a lot of them that will help ladies remove black spots from their faces. So you have different kind of product that shows that this can be done. So this is a blackhead nose patch. It equally helps with doing that. And now to actually be sure that this works, okay, let's just use this one. To actually be sure that this works, you can open the product and see what people who have purchased this product before are saying about it. So this one already has 2,782 orders, and then we can find reviews right here. So if I click on these 804 reviews, you can see what people who have purchased this product are saying or what they've said about it. So you see this one from Russia says it really works, did not believe until the relative showed the result. So it came very quickly, sealed, original, the QR code goes to the official website, blah blah blah. So you now see that this product has gotten very good reviews. Now you have a problem, you have a product that works, you need to go and find the people who would buy it. So this one is called Lanbena blah blah blah. Let me go and check if we can find this product locally. So I'm just going to copy this name, and then we'll go to our another indigenous website called gg.ng and see if we can find that very product right here. If you cannot find it on GG, you have to go and look for people who sell these things in the market. Basically, everything you are looking for is already in Nigeria. So you might not need to import anything like that into the country. You can use this website gg.com and search. So okay, you can see we already have that here. This is this is actually the blackhead remover. Why that one? Okay, this is the exact one we just saw. So you see somebody like you is already doing this, but on the whole of GG we have just one person who is selling this product. And if you come here, you see that this product, this problem itself has gotten a whole lot of views. And you know, ladies like stuff like this. Ladies like to have fine faces and all of that. So you now come here, you see that this is the exact product we just saw here. This is the exact product we just saw here. And you can equally list your own product on GG, because you know that people are searching for it. You can list your own product and sell, or you can then go and create Facebook ads, Instagram ads to sell faster. If you want to create Facebook ads, Instagram ads for your products, I already created a video about that. I'm going to link it up there and in the description of this video. So now you have a product, you know people want to buy, you know how to source these products. All you have to do is just start. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Goodnoel. I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, like this video, and I'll see you. Bye bye.